Have you ever wondered how cheese is made? The journey begins with fresh milk collected from dairy farms and transported to a cheese production facility. Before processing begins, the milk is carefully tested to ensure it meets strict quality and safety standards. Next, the milk is pasteurized to eliminate harmful bacteria while preserving its nutritional value. The milk is then transferred into large cheese vats. Now comes the transformation. Special starter cultures are added to the milk. These beneficial bacteria convert milk sugars into lactic acid, helping develop the flavor and texture of the cheese. After the cultures have done their work, rennet is added. Rennet is a natural enzyme that causes the milk to coagulate, turning it from a liquid into a soft, gel-like mass called curd. The curd is then cut into small pieces. This allows the liquid portion, known as whey, to separate from the solid curds. The size of the curds helps determine the final texture of the cheese. The curds are gently heated and stirred to remove more whey and develop the desired consistency. Once enough whey has been drained away, the curds are transferred into molds and pressed into shape. The pressure removes additional moisture and helps form the cheese wheel or block. Depending on the type of cheese being produced, salt may be added to enhance flavor and preserve the product. The cheese is then aged in carefully controlled environments. During this maturation process, which can last from a few weeks to several years, the cheese develops its unique flavor, aroma, and texture. Finally, the finished cheese is inspected, packaged, and shipped to stores around the world. From fresh milk to a delicious aged masterpiece, cheesemaking is a fascinating blend of science, tradition, and craftsmanship. And that's how cheese is made.